parents died 10 and 15 years ago, and I think they're back to hunt me and my brother. So this is my house where I used to live with my mom, and I don't live here anymore, but my brother does. So anyways, a couple years ago, I was sleeping, and I sleep with everything off. I never turn the TV on, not even when I'm home. I just watch everything on laptop. All the lights have to be off. I cannot even have like a light from the TV, like the little red dot, like everything has to be black when I sleep. And I cannot fall asleep if it's not pitch black in my room. So I wake up one morning, this was like 5 years ago or so. I wake up one morning, the TV is blasting like high volume. The lights are on, and I'm like, what the hell is going on? So a couple days later, I'm at my friend's house, and somebody suggested to do like the talking with ghosts, like the Ouija board. And I honestly never believed in that stuff. I was like, yeah, whatever, let's just do it. So we're sitting in a circle at the table, and it's like 6 of us. And bear in mind, it's none of my really close friends. It's like a really mixed group. It's like my girlfriend, her brother, his girlfriend that I never met in my life, his friend that I never met in my life. It's another friend that I knew. And so nobody actually knows my story, how my mom passed away, how my dad passed away. At that moment, I don't know that the girlfriend had a brother that passed away. So it's like completely irrelevant group to like know stuff from each other's lives. We do the whole thing, and the first ghost that pops up was the brother of the girl. And I was so shocked with the stuff that came up on that board and how it was, not my story to tell. And then my mom popped up. And I fully didn't believe in this stuff until she said, or whatever the situation was, like we did stuff like, what year were you born? How did you pass away? Like nobody knew like those details. And then at the end, I asked her like, do you have anything else to say? And then she said my nickname that she used to call me. And I was like, holy shit. But before that last question, I asked, were you turning the lights on in the apartment? And the letters went to haha dad. And I was like, okay. So I moved away from this house and this city. My brother moves into this house. Bear in mind, he doesn't tell me anything. I don't know. We came for a week. Day 2, we come back home. So this ring light behind me, I was doing my makeup, and I know it was white because I was doing my makeup. I cannot do makeup with any other color. So I knew I left it on, but it was white. So we went away, we were gone for like 5 hours or so. We come back, the light is fully green. I asked my fiance, I'm like, did you change the light? Because he was in the house alone for like 2 hours. And then I picked him up. He was like, no. I'm like, okay. We go to bed, we lay down. Computer is fully shut down. We have the iMac on the table. Computer is shut down. We're in the bed, and I hear the sound of computer turning on. I'm like, so I get up, I look, and the computer is on. So I was like, this is weird. My brother comes to pick up some stuff, and my fiance tells him, and he goes, yeah, it happens all the time. Like every time I come back home, the light on that ring is like purple or like, but it's never turned on because he doesn't use it. It's either me or his daughter. So the light is usually purple, sometimes it's green, but like, yeah, it turns on all the time. And also the lights like go on and off all the time. The computer also turns on sometimes. I'm like, this is so weird. So last night I'm in the shower, and my fiance says TV, and I'm like, what? And he was like, did you turn on the TV? And I'm like, no. So the TV went on again last night. I think they're back.